This is a brand new 2013 Ford Explorer. This SUV has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and four-wheel drive. Its top features include a twin-turbocharged forced induction system, a sports suspension, heated seats, 12 strategically positioned speakers, commercial-free satellite radio, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: Bluetooth cell phone integration, roof rails, traction control and stability control systems, leather seats, steering wheel mounted gear shifting, a rear spoiler, a security system, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and aluminum wheels. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Ken Grody Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We're located at 6211 Beach Boulevard in Buena Park.